Hey guys, it's Toolshed Mike again with a new mod for my Versys X300. I bought this here Cramp Buster. I'm going to install it and try it out. Should be a really easy install. I would think if you didn't have the hand guards, then this would go on really easy, but I do have hand guards, and so I do have to, I guess, hopefully just loosen this one Allen nut and slide it right on. I was kind of hoping that it would have enough flex to it that I could just open it up and slide it over. But I'm really nervous that I'll break it if I do that. It was 10 bucks, but still, that's, I mean, I wouldn't take a $10 bill and rip it, so I don't want to just waste it. So here's my Allen key. It's funny, I installed these bark busters, I don't remember how long ago I installed them. And I probably should go review my video, because I videoed me putting them on. I don't remember what it took though, so hopefully this is just a simple Allen that I can remove. I think it is. A lot of threads on that thing. There we go. Okay. Yep, that looks like all it was. There's a little spacer in there. May have to loosen this front one just a little bit. There we go. Okay. There we go. Alright. I'm going to put it back together before I have it apart for too long that I forget how it comes back together. I think the best way to do this is just to get this started. Again, I probably should have just reviewed my own video, but that way it's got something to turn against. That took a bit more than I thought it would, just because I had these bark busters on there. But I finally got them put back on, and it looks better now. I should have reviewed my video on the bark buster install, but I have them back on. I still have the full range of motion, and I've got my cramp busters. So I don't know if that's a good spot for the cramp buster or not. I don't even know if I'm gonna like it. I saw it online, and you know, a lot of times I take my Versys out for like a half hour or so. I don't really drive it for a long time, but I'm about to go in 2 weeks. I'm going on a trip, another moto trip, and I'm going to bring this thing, and I'm hoping to get a lot of miles on it. I'm going to be on it a lot, and I've noticed whenever I ride for more than about 30 minutes, the vibrations, they don't really bother you, except for you can't, you know, you can kind of get out and move your hand a little bit on your clutch lever hand, but your throttle hand, you can't just as easily just let up and kind of stretch your fingers. And the vibrations of the bike from holding on really tight does kind of start to bother you. Even if you ease up, you can still feel the vibrations. And so my thought is, with the cramp buster, I'd be able to, you know, kind of let my fingers out and then just kind of use my palm to keep my speed, so I can kind of stretch my fingers and then go back onto it. So it seems like it'd be easy enough to adjust while I'm riding. It's just a matter of pushing it up, and it slides up, so I can easily do that. Now getting it back down is a little more tricky. I think you kind of have to grab the bottom of it. But I think I could probably still do both of that while I'm actually out riding. Like I said, I don't have a cruise control, I don't have anything like that, so this is probably the next best step. And for 10 bucks, you know, I'll give it a shot and see what I think. Hopefully I like it. Never used one, so this isn't a review. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, consider subscribing to my channel if you'd like to see more like it.